The debtors report gives you an understanding of the financial standing of your clients for your selected date period. To locate the report, navigate to our reporting option on your left-hand side and select Debtors Report. To start your report, select your start and end date, which is always limited to your current accounting day, and select Pull Report. As you can see, the report is broken down by client type. If you wish to see more detail on what makes up the current amount shown, select the plus sign, which will expand your information. You can do this again for the specific client that is reflected here. Now you can see what makes up your client's totals that are reflected. The report will show your opening deposits, which is the total of all reservation payments made before your report start date, whether those invoices are open or already closed, provided the invoice date is on or after the start date. Opening invoice calculates your opening deposits plus all accrued charges from closed invoices before the start date minus any payments made before the start date. Opening in-house represents the total of all charges made before your start date. Your opening balance is then derived from your opening in-house plus all accrued charges from closed invoices before the start date, minus any payments received. Now, looking at the activity within your selected period, your sales amount is calculated as the amount invoiced, plus your closing in-house minus your opening in-house. Amount invoiced specifically reflects the total of all accrued charges on closed invoices, where the invoice date falls within your chosen date period, inclusive of both the start and end date. Payments received is the total of all payments made within your selected date period, again including both the start and end date. Finally, scrolling further to the right-hand side, we have our closing amounts, giving you the picture at the end of your reporting period. Closing deposits shows the total of all reservation payments made on or before your end date on open or closed invoices, where closed invoices dates are after the end date. Closing invoice takes your closing deposits, adds all accrued charges on closed invoices on or before the end date, and subtracts all payments made on or before that date. Closing in-house represents the total of all accrued charges made on or before the end date on open or closed invoices. And finally, your closing balance, which sums it all up. Your closing in-house plus all charges on closed invoices on or before the end date, minus all payments made on or before your end date. And that is the overview of the debtors report.